Hi, hello friends, it's Jolene. Welcome to my channel. I'd like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I was filming today. I filmed a Temu fall haul, and I filmed a Dollar Tree haul decor or fall decor. That was more Halloween and Thanksgiving. The Temu was more just fall, but I got through filming those and I thought I was done, and then the mail came and I got 2 boxes. I'm really excited. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I don't know which one I'm gonna do I'm gonna do them both, so it doesn't really matter. But so let's get to it. All right. I guess since this is on top, I am going to open the EyeScream Beauty Box. So there we go. There's the picture. I just think this box is so cute. Anyway, and I really like EyeScream Beauty. So let's open up. I was not planning on filming a lot today. I'm not exactly excited about my makeup look. So don't look. I shouldn't bring it up, right? I mentioned in another video that I learned something today, and that is if you use the iridescent type makeup, you just put a little bit, you get a little bit on your hand and it's everywhere. And I try to look, and I just wasn't super crazy about it, but I had already, that was like my second try. So anyway, not super excited about the makeup, but just so you know, a makeup tip is if you are working with like the iridescent type eyeshadows, make sure you're real careful because they will get everywhere, and they don't always show up on your eyes what you think they're going to do. Anyway, I did move some of these things out. That's the sneak peek at the box. And I didn't come very prepared for this. I may have to use my glasses because I'm not. But let's go ahead and do this one first. This is, oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's by Ziza, and it's a lip product. And all right, here we go. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I love their little spaceship design. Now, a few months ago, I don't know if you remember, we got a highlighter in this shape, like the space shape. And it looks like I might have just, I didn't break it. Maybe I did break it. Well, that's not fun if I broke it. Oh, well. Okay, so here it is. Okay, it's kind of a dark color, you know why? It's got a really weird doe foot. See the shape of it? That's kind of strange. So you're supposed to go like that. Okay, I love brands that do things that are different and kind of fun like that. So that's a fun product. Okay, first thing. Okay, the next thing I got here is, this is a glow light. Or is this the, no, is that a, let me see what this is. I'm gonna open this one. This is, okay, here's where we put the glasses on. The liquid lipstick by Ziza is $25. This is the Clean Canvas Eyeshadow Base by Gerard Cosmetics. This is $22. And I have seen people with this and they say it's absolutely amazing. Now, I love eyeshadow primers, so I'm excited about this. I don't know what color I got. I know it comes in different colors. So I want the white. We'll see if that's what I get. Oh, yay. It looks like I did get the white. I heard the white's amazing because oh, it's kind of a cream. whoa, it's creamy, and you just take a little bit of it. From what I hear, you just take a little dot, a little tiny dot, and see, it's just, you rub it in, and now I hear that when you put eyeshadow on this, it really pigments your eyeshadow, that it really stands out. And it's a little tiny container, but I heard this will last, you know, it'll last you at least a year if you just use it sparingly, I guess. Anyway, so I'm excited. I got the color I want. Now they did have lighter, they had skin tones and a darker one available. So the next thing I'm going to go for here is, this is Shantico Beauty, and it is $19 value. It's a dual chrome sparkle eyeshadow. Okay, let's see. Okay, ooh, this is my color too. I was hoping I'd get the pink. This is just it just depends on how you use it. Now here's one of those iridescents again. See it on my finger. Let me try it on the skin. I'm gonna put it right over that white. Oh, so pretty. Look at that. Okay, this will be fun to use with my pink look. So there we go. So that is the third item. And I already have this all over the place, I told you. And I don't have my cloths here, but I'll try to use one of these. Anyway. Okay, so the next thing I have here is from So Rich. Okay, this is So Rich by Glow Light Cosmetics, and it is a highlighter. And let's see, it's just like a white. You see that? Looks really pretty. Below that pink, look at that. Those would even be fun to use together. So there's that, worth $15. And so that's my fourth item. My last item, last but definitely not least. I've been hearing things about this. Okay, this is the Secret Grove palette. Whoops, upside down. By Gourmand Girls. And it's so cute. It's got the mushroom, little mushroom house, little, just kind of a fun little fairy type design. And let's open it up. Okay, look at that. Oh my goodness, you guys, I'm loving this. There are so many colors in here. Red is kind of tricky. I'm curious about that because red is hard to use. So let's just try a little bit of that red and see. Whoa, it's very red. So also I have other things on my hands still. We've got green. Okay, and we've got a pink, bright pink, and a burgundy kind of color. It's dark. These are really pigmented, so, and I really like this light. This is just kind of a light iridescent shimmer. These have cute names. They're kind of like fairy type names. You want to hear some of them? You got Academia, Euphoric, Halcyon, Kinoko, Sage, Solitude, Mori, Bewitching, Boho, Rustic, Poppy, and Penumbra. Anyway, that was kind of hard to say. So these are really fun. This one right here is kind of a iridescent, changes colors. Let's try this peachy color there. Got this color, which is kind of a orange or peach, light, peachy, more peachy. And oh gosh, they're all amazing. So we've got a dark green. So that's a fun palette to play with. It's really cute. And I don't know if I mentioned this was valued at $30. Now Gorman Girls is making some really amazing palettes, so I'm excited to get that. So I have the palette, the highlighter, the pink iridescent shadow, and the white eye primer, and the cute lip gloss. Look at that, there's little stars on it. It's so cute, but it lost its cute little cover. But anyway, so this is fun. This is fun stuff. So tell me what you think. I am loving I'm loving the EyeScream Beauty Boxes. They're just fun things I wouldn't normally buy, and it's also discovering new brands. Like they do a lot of indie brands, a little bit of less expensive brands and stuff, so more affordable. And I just filmed, I think I might have just posted that. Was that one I posted? Or different? I think I just posted the EyeScream Beauty bag, which really rocked it this month. It was amazing. So I posted that, so I'll try to post this one real soon too. And that's it for this video. So thank you for being here and sharing this with me. I love your support. I'd love it if you'd subscribe, hit the like button, do all those things that support my channel, leave me a comment, and I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye. Look at the colors. Bye-bye.